How to update KlonDike Adventures game on your Android or iOS. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're wondering how to update the app on KlonDike Adventure, then first of all open your Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. In the search bar, type in KlonDike Adventures. Once you're inside the search results, go ahead and check if there is an update button instead of play. If you see the update button, tap on it to download the new version. If you don't see the update button, it means your app is already up to date. Once you tap on update if available, wait for the download and installation to finish. Your updates may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once done, you can tap on the play button and you'll have access to the latest features, events, and bug fixes for the game. So there you have it. That is how you can easily update to the latest version of KlonDike Adventures. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.